Going camping out with the boys. The 2 Civics are gonna go first because the rest ditched us. They're fucking cunts.
You farted, bro.
Oh, you fucking bro, look at that! Nah, fuck this. Oh, in the car, like, get the snacks out, bro.
Bro, oh, no way. Oh, no.
Going camping out with the boys. The 2 Civics are gonna go first because the rest ditched us. They're fucking cunts.
Yeah, have fun, bro.
I'm going back slippery.
I don't, bro. Fuck that. It looks wet. It's a green muscle.
You're fat. The whole tent's gonna go on the ground when you get in it. It's gonna be a fucking bunker.
You can't fat shame Billy, bro. He's only skills on me. I already know what's coming.
Oh, listen. Did you hear that? He fucking broke the chair. I didn't break shit. I fixed it, see? That's actually charcoal, isn't it?
Yeah, he's just fucking laughing.
Mate, we're making charcoal chicken here, boys.
Are you filming? Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
What's this one?
Oh, fuck.
Hey, put this on YouTube, Minecraft of the boys. It's fucking Minecraft, bro.
This one's doing shit, bro.
Yeah, when can we eat? Like, I wanna taste those marshmallows.
Cause yeah, let's get a
Bro, we're in the car, I'm like, get the snacks out, bro.
Bro, no way. Oh no, is this stuff?
Yeah, let me get off this. No, move your there, bro.
You're gonna have to use it.
This is all the wood we have.
Bro, that's a wooden pickaxe, bro. Wooden axe, bro.
We have to scavenge from the floor now, boys.
Nah, what do you mean, bro? Because I'm taking this home. You think I'm throwing that
Yeah,
out?
no, of course not.
You can't use it now.
Put that in the forest so the wood burns up. No.
This is so smart, bro. Like, you should
Let's take this, bro. Well, at least get that side. They grab the
Cheap
charcoal. It sounds turbo. Oh no, they're on the floor. Bro, who put him outside my bed?
Bro, that's you.
Bro, who put him outside my bed? Space. What do you put on your chair, you dumb cunt?
I'm sitting on it.
Put him there. What the fuck?
Damn, bro.
Oh, he fucking broke his ankles, bro.
What is that? Termite, bro. Is that? Oh.
It's a bougie boy.
Oh, shit.
There's really nothing over here. Like.
Actually is. It's legit just trees and shit. Like, honestly. The hell? Yeah, why did AJ take it back?
I don't know.
Timber. Right, it's just fucking wet here. I don't even know where to start. Should we just go that way?
There's no kangaroos.
Timber. When gym junkies go to the frickin' go to the forest? Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. How killer is that on the core?
Yeah.
Here's your stick.
Thank you.
Is this
Do you
that?
want to go?
Huh?
Do you want to try it?
Nah, I saw that leech now.
Sure.
Don't.
Go spider.
You just stepped on it. You literally just stepped on it.
Oh, what is that?
Big spider.
Look at that! Bro, look at that! Nah, fuck this. Luckily, I'm in my car, bro. Fuck this. Oh, I don't know if you can see this. So, we got the Civic here, which is pretty cool. That Civic has made it. It's pretty cute. Here's this Chrissy Reedy of the Feedy. Dude, honestly, rate the fucking setup. That actually looks so comfortable. I'm not even gonna lie.
Let's have sex. What do you look like?
Yeah, shit. Bro, boys, rate the setup. Rate the setup.
Sleep, pussy.
Bro, you're not fitting in that.
Bro, I'll fit through that.
You're gonna be in a fetal position all night.
Mate, I'm right here where my coilovers are. Nice and toasty. Bro.
Check out my setup.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the focus, the wax focus. That's the whack right there.
Bro, I'm jealous. This is actually sick.
Order for later?
Yes, and look, do you even turn off your light?
I can't, that's just how it is.
Bro, you got the vibes happening here. Shit, Chris about to get his dick sucked. Let's see Tristan set up. Oh, he hasn't even started yet. Whew. Heck yeah. Camping with the lads on a Friday night. Nothing better, nothing better. Hopefully. It's fucking chilly, but I'll update the vlog anyways. It's probably not the best, it's probably not comfortable to sleep in a hatchback JDM car, an old one. Gotta make what we gotta do, so that's alright. It's pretty fun anyways. Good fun, only one night anyway, so it's alright. Yeah. See, we got Tristeezy in the fucking RS sleeping, if you can see him. Bro, do you have the heater on or something? Alright, bye. Good night. Place to sleep. Was it comfortable? Yeah, it was alright, honestly. I feel like I slept in worse places before. Let's get this day started. Anyways, that concludes the video, camping with the boys, but this is only part 1. There is a part 2. If you guys want to see more camping videos or just more just us going out instead of just always working on our cars, always comment if anyone wants to comment. Like if you want to like, I don't give a shit. Anyways, follow the gram, and as well, follow the TikTok because I post regularly on Instagram, and as well I daily upload on TikTok. Really hard, so I don't know how I keep doing it, but oh well. Anyways, part 2 coming out really soon. Thanks guys.